Hello everyone, this is Paris. I'm doing my recap for today. I had a very good day. Just one trade and one and done. As clean as possible. Taking a perfect textbook pattern that Andrew teaches in his classes, which is one of the opening range breakouts. So let me go to my trade. I traded MYL, which if you can see my screen right here, um, I took in the first 5 minutes. Basically, as soon as it broke the VWAP and the moving averages, I went short right here, added a little more when it got a confirmation, and then rode the entire wave and scaled out in my profits. This particular move is a clear $1 move here. So a very clear move, just one and done trade. Really happy with a clean trading today. Thank you.